Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let's begin. Take another deep breath now, feeling the air fill your lungs completely, and as you exhale, allow your shoulders to soften, your jaw to release, your entire body to begin settling into a state of deep, peaceful rest. And with this next breath, bring your awareness to the very center of your chest, to the place where your heart beats, steady and rhythmic, a constant companion, a source of life, a source of feeling. Notice that you are here now, safe, present, and ready. And as you breathe, you might begin to sense a quiet space opening within you, a space of pure potential, a space where transformation can gently take root. In this moment, there is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to go. Simply allow yourself to be held by this moment, by this breath, by the quiet stillness that surrounds you. And now, as you listen to the sound of my voice, your conscious mind can relax, knowing that your deeper mind is listening, absorbing, and beginning a beautiful process of change. Now, bring to mind a time, any time in your life, when you felt a deep sense of gratitude. It doesn't have to be a grand event. It could allow that feeling to grow now. Let it expand in your chest. A warm, golden light spreading outward like the sun rising within you. This feeling of gratitude, it has a texture, a warmth, a gentle vibration. Feel it now. And now's how it softens your heart, how it relaxes your mind, how it brings a subtle smile to your lips. And as you feel this gratitude, you can begin to anchor it. Gently press your thumb and forefinger together, just lightly, creating a simple physical touch. This simple touch is a key that unlocks a deeper well of appreciation within you. Now, with this anchor in place, let the feeling of gratitude transform, expanding into a sense of pure joy. Up to pure joy is gratitude in motion. It is the natural expression of a heart that is full. And you can feel it now, this joyful energy bubbling up from within like a clear spring of happiness. It begins in your heart, this joy, and it radiates outward, flowing into your chest, your shoulders, down your arms, into your hands. It flows down into your belly, warming you from the inside. It flows down your legs into your feet, grounding you in a state of well-being. And you can say to yourself, now, think of something you are grateful for today. It can be something small, like a warm cup of tea, or something vast, like the love of a family member. As you bring this to mind, feel the gratitude for it, fully, completely. And as you feel it, press your thumb and forefinger together again, strengthening the anchor. This anchor is now a signal to your subconscious mind, a signal that says, I am choosing gratitude. I am opening to joy. Now, imagine a scene that represents pure joy to you. Perhaps it is a field of wildflowers, bathed in sunlight. Perhaps it is a child laughing, free and unburdened. Perhaps it is a moment of creative flow where time disappears and you are fully alive. Step into this scene now. See it with your mind's eye. Hear the sounds that are there. Feel the air on your skin. And most importantly, feel the joy that is present. The pure, unadulterated happiness that comes from being fully alive. And as you feel this joy, repeat these words silently to yourself. I am worthy of joy. Joy is my birthright. I allow happiness to flow through me easily and freely. Notice how natural this feeling is. It is not something you have to create. Instead, embrace this truth. I am enough, and joy is my natural inheritance. Now, let this feeling of gratitude and joy expand even further, radiating outward from your heart, filling every cell of your body. You are a vessel of appreciation, a beacon of happiness. And as you hold this state, bring to mind someone you love. See their face. Feel the love you have for them. And now, direct this feeling of gratitude and joy toward them, sending them a wave of appreciation and happiness. Now, notice how giving gratitude and joy toward them, sending them a wave of appreciation and happiness. Notice how giving gratitude and joy toward them, sending them a wave of appreciation and happiness. Notice how giving gratitude and joy amplifies it within you. The more you give, the more you have. This is the infinite nature of the heart. Now, bring your awareness back to yourself, to your own heart, to this beautiful state you are cultivating. And say these words, feeling their truth deeply. Gratitude is my attitude. Joy is my vibration. I am living in a state of appreciation, and my life reflects this abundance. Feel, and you can carry this state with you beyond this meditation into your everyday life. This anchor, this feeling, is now a resource you can access anytime you choose. Now, simply press your thumb and forefinger together, and the feeling of gratitude and joy will return, like an old friend welcoming you home. Now, take a moment to express gratitude for this experience. Thank yourself for taking this time for your own well-being. The buzzing is universe or life, or whatever you hold sacred, for the gift of this moment. And as you sit here, bathed in gratitude and joy, know that this is not a temporary state. This is a seed that has been planted in the fertile soil of your subconscious. Watch how it will grow. It will bloom. It will bear fruit in your life. You are a being of gratitude. You are a vessel of joy. And this is your truth, now and always. Eights died by whiz. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now beyond this meditation.